Welcome to my garage and my Quickjack. My name is Ben. I bought my Quickjack from Germany and put it together without any problems. I have added some extra equipment, for example LED lights from the caravan shop, support wheels and a removable power station. The power station consists of a box with a 12-volt car battery and a Quickjack pump and an accessory basket. Everything is fixed in a luggage trolley for easy moving. The box contains main switch, lamp switch and fuses. With the amp you can see the power consumption when lifting, around 60 amps, 720 watts. Car number 1 is a small European car of 1000 kilograms or 2200 pounds. The car lift fits right in between the front and rear wheels. I use extra security support even though Quicklift has a good lock. You never know. Plenty of space under the car and even more if you don't use a creeper. My garage is a one-car garage with limited space in terms of height and width. With Quickjack at its highest altitude, it allows for open bonnet. Car number 2 is a normal European middle-class car, weighing 1,400 kilograms or 3,000 pounds. More space here between front and rear wheels. I also tested my trailer. Here I discovered an important thing. A single axle trailer must be lifted on a special part of Quickjack. Namely the end where the labels are. Great working space under the trailer. Summary, rating. Okay, Quickjack is a handy, portable and strong car lift. But heavy to lift and handle in the garage. The whole package is complete from the beginning and it works well. I give 4 stars out of 5 because it is a bit pricey.